All right, so now we are back in our lobby and we are going to dig into our employers just a little bit and learn what we can all do with them throughout the day. So as I said, you can click anywhere on this screen to get over to the employer booth. Otherwise, this navigation bar up at the top will also take you there. You just click Exhibit Hall or Employer Booth. So up here, you're going to see a running list of all of the employers that we've had with us today. You don't even have to click. You can just drag your mouse over and the screen follows you. And then down here on the left is also an alphabetized list of all of the employers that are with us today. Once you see an employer that you would like to dig a little further into, we're going to have you click on their booth. Now you're going to be able to see all of the information that they've entered for you to dig through. So down here they have a little description. They also have a videos tab where they've uploaded some videos they want you to watch and some additional documents that they wanted for you to view, so you can see a little bit more about their Fox Valley Tech program, things like that. This middle bar is going to have a bunch of links for you to click through, so you can always follow them on any of their social media, learn a little bit more about them. Otherwise, all the way over here to this right is the chat box. So I'm going to have you join us in the next video to learn a little bit more about the chat feature.